This is a video called Guys Answer My Questions About Love.
Love?
Love.
Okay, I gotta go.
Is there any incriminating ones?
I won't make you look bad.
Okay.
So all this started a couple days ago when I was wondering a few things about love. Why won't he text me back? Is it weird for girls to make the first move? What's the deal with basically anything? So I thought instead of just sitting around asking myself, why don't I just ask them? Meet George, David, Brennan, Ricky, and Marlon. The guys who will be answering my questions about love.
The real reason Amber's making this video is because she's in love with me and she just wants to know my answers.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're rolling?
We're rolling.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to be nervous. You're
Yeah,
good.
I'm
Okay.
Hello. I have been in love one time.
One time in my life, but then she cheated on me, so now I don't trust girls anymore. But I think I was in love at that point. I don't know.
When I was in love, it felt like being home. Like the most significant part of your life was kind of handled, you know? So you could always like return home to that.
You're just happier than you've ever been kind of thing. It's like a very euphoric feeling, like you're just like always happy. You know what I mean? Like you wake up and you're just like, oh, I get to talk to this person, and it's just like this exciting butterfly feeling in your stomach.
Have you ever been in love?
No.
No.
No. But I think I'm getting close. Yeah. Oh, we got the audience.
Everyone.
Applause,
Woo! Okay.
Yeah, it's going well. It's going well.
Definitely. Oh yeah.
Of course, like it's every guy's dream you watch in movies all the time. Like everyone in the room's looking at her, and then she walks up to you. Like, of course, that's the hottest thing ever.
I like confidence in a woman. So yeah. She sees what she likes. Go for it, girl. Yeah.
If a girl's like, what's up, boo, what that ass do? Like, I'll show you. Like, okay, then I'll be like,
This is rated G.
And then I won't be like, no, bye, because I know how that feels. Like I get that like all the time. So like.
If a girl like walked up to me and was just like, hey, like I think like it's happened before, and like I'm always like, oh, okay, like now they have my attention, kind of, you know what I mean?
too aggressive is too much. Everything in moderation.
Have you ever ghosted a girl?
Yeah.
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 Not on purpose. Okay. Have I ever ghosted a girl? What's the definition of that again?
I'll massage it. I'll kind of like answer a few and then dip on a few and then answer one and then dip on a lot.
But for good reason, because
I just like get like I'm bored, kind of
Like I almost would rather like save her feelings kind of and not be the one to be like, actually I'm just not interested.
Oh my goodness.
I haven't done this recently at all. Just putting it out there. I'm not that person anymore.
Drifting off is easier than just being like, hey, listen, when we were hanging out the other day, your breath really smelled. And I just can't get over the fact that it smelled like Taco Bell.
why do girls ghost guys? Like.
We would never do that.
Oh yeah.
By the way, if any of the girls that I ghosted are watching this, sorry.
Powerful career woman, intimidating or hot?
hot. You know what I mean? Like if I could just do nothing and my girl, my wife, you know, can do everything, like I'm chilling. You know what I mean? I'll be a stay-at-home dad if I have to. So that's where my life takes me, man.
Of course it's scary. I'm super intimidated, but I think it's hot at the same time.
I think it's hot for sure.
I really find it very attractive when a girl has her shit together and not like lingering on what I'm doing.
It's attractive.
Is it really?
Is it really?
I want the truth.
Yeah. All right. That's sexy. Like what? Like
She's making more money than you. Are you into it?
I am. Cause it's gonna like motivate me to like, oh, you okay? Well, let's get it then. We're going on this power couple goals. Let's go.
It makes me want to work harder. It makes me want to be a better me. It makes me want to like go like, oh shit, like she's gonna leave me. If
I'm trying to start a family channel pretty soon, kid and everything. Amber's over there raising her hand behind the camera, so we'll see what happens.
Let's be more, what's the word?
Like you're genuinely concerned and interested in what I'm interested in.
Just laugh. Just freaking laugh, man. Guys take laughs as in like, oh, she digs me. You're dying behind camera, see? Are you flirting with me? Is that it?
Enough.
If you like someone, you know, like make it known that you like them. Like don't hide it, obviously, because then the guy will never know. Because us guys, we're clueless.
Laughing at the jokes. Of course, those things are like. That's like, okay, she's digging you, boy. Like, that's how you can do that.
So even if you're not funny, I should laugh?
you can just switch up the laughs. You can be like, that's like, okay, that wasn't really that funny. But she's still being polite and I accept that.
Oh, that's for girls too. That's not just guys. It's like you want what you can't have, and once you have it, it's like, eh.
It's like the journey, like to get the Oscar. Then you got the Oscar. It's like, all right, shit. But I mean, it's like, I got it now. Now what? Shit, is it gonna end it or what's gonna be that?
Like subconsciously, as a human being, you're trying to find something better. BBD, bigger, better deal. If you can't find that, then you go back to the stuff that's already there.
I'm shook.
That's just for men and women. That's not just for me. Don't cut that part out.
No, I'm gonna keep it.
I'm just bitter about being rejected for so long. Maybe I'm just like really in my feelings and I'm like, got her. She was so mean to me. I'm gonna pay her back.
Maybe because like a guy gets a little nervous and he's like, okay, wait, I'm not ready for this yet, or this is not what this was supposed to be. I don't know. It could be many different answers, and I don't want to incriminate myself.
Like we want to play, but all of a sudden she starts showing interest, and then you're like, huh, oh. But there's times where like the girls have shown interest, and then it like works out, right?
Yeah, I mean, sure, people do date, so I guess it has to work out sometimes.
Oh God, yes. Oh my God, yes. For girls like, no, I'm like, oh, okay. I've given girls like 4-year plans. Like I'll commit, like college.
Okay, we gonna make it work. All right, cool. I'm down with it.
There comes a fine line between like playing hard to get and just fudge, I can't deal with this girl anymore. You know what I mean? Because like I've had the point where it's just like, all right, this girl plays too much. I'm over it.
You've been playing hard to get for so long. A guy's like just trying to get you at that point, and then once he got you, it's like, all right, I'm done. That's like a you be doing all this work. That's some exclusive stuff right here.
I think what you told me was really cool about like Sex in the City and like just going out there and just figure out what kind of guy you like, because there's so many different kinds of guys out there. Taste all the flavors, Cambodians.
It's like poker, you know, you can't show all your cards at once, or the game's not interesting. You should be a doctor. That's good. I'm gonna badass advice right now.
If you're gonna be in a big group of girls, like no one's gonna go up to you. You gotta split yourself off and be in like doubles, you know what I mean? Because then I can walk up with one of my homies, because I only have like one friend. So it's like I have to walk up with that friend, unless I'm being ballsy that night and just going at it. But groups of 2 or more, like you're pushing it if you want guys, because there's no guys that have like that many friends, I feel like. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this is me. When I have conversations, I like to have meaningful conversations with my friends, so like,
damn, I'll turn that off. Like, we don't talk like that. Well, that's very, very generalized in the movies, but like, unless you're a dog, I don't think anybody actually talks like that.
We talked about girls, and then we talked about girls again.
we'll talk about chicks, or like chicks we've talked to, or who we're talking to currently.
Okay, let me see.
What are we talking about? I don't know. It could be nothing.
We talk about games or football or whatever you talk about.
Different things like what do you think happens after you die? You know what I mean? Like we'll have like full on like in-depth conversations about stuff like that. Like plot things.
By the end of the night, it's gonna be about girls again. Promise.
What is it that guys fall in love with about girls?
The
Marlon!
See, falling in love is different than being attracted. So if a girl's beautiful, cool. But if she has like that dope smile that makes me want to smile, and then when she laughs, it gets me going, then like I would want her around me at all times.
The smell. Scent is everything. I fall in love with the scent of a woman. That's a movie, man.
I just gotta buy perfume. That's it.
Yeah, the right perfume though. If you stink, then it's like shit. But it's like a hypnosis. It's like ooh, good smile. Oh man. Damn, I don't know. Okay. Damn. I'm ready to fall for this chick.
I think I fall in love with someone I can just generally be literally like fully myself with. Like that's what I love. Like
Looks aside, like if she's beautiful, that's awesome, you know, but then she's gotta have like a really cool like personality where you can like literally bring her to hang out with your friends, and all your friends like see her as like a friend because like she's that cool, you know what I mean? Funny,
okay.
they're really successful. They work. They have projects. They have clothing lines.
What are you saying? Why won't... What is the
I wanna go on a
aversion?
date.
No.
I said I'm down.
Brennan, please. Do you want to hang out? Yeah. Okay. Great. What do you want to do? I don't know. What do you want to do?
All guys said that to you? You're just picking boring guys, Amber. Maybe that's...
Don't attack me, Marlon.
Dudes are indecisive.
Might as well just tell us what you like so we can do something fun, you know?
They don't want to pick a place that the girl's gonna hate.
Because some girls like judge stuff too quick. They're like, why we got many girlfriends? Like, can you just go? It's gonna be fun. Let's just do it.
Like, what do you want to do?
Yeah, I'm a dude. Yeah, so, I don't know.
If I ask a girl out, I kind of know generally like what she likes to do already. It's like for you, I'd be like mountain for the weekend or something. But
Wow, it's our first date? We're going to
Yeah, that's
Malibu
what
for the
we're going.
weekend? Alright guys, I'm taken! Thanks for watching!
Or like, what activities do you enjoy doing? It's probably a better question to ask. I figured it out, guys! Woo!
Guys, it's a breakthrough!
Video over, we got
Okay,
it.
we got it.
Words of wisdom from girls. I feel like dropping within this interview.
Some people are texting back and forth. I think it's kind of weird if like you guys are going back and forth and then you just like don't respond for 2.5 years.
My advice to you is to fall in love with patterns and not potential.
When a guy picks a spot, you know what, babe? I know you pick. Okay, Chipotle. I don't want you. No, you're going to Chipotle. You're going to Chipotle. That's it. You asked. Yeah, that's some words of wisdom for that ass. Like, just go with the flow.
So what did we learn today, kids? Men are just like us. Except, not really. If I'm being honest, I think I'd say we're just all a little crazy. But hey, that's what keeps the romance alive, right? Keeps it interesting. Or at least that's what we can keep telling ourselves. So we find our special someone. The one that's our favorite kind of crazy.
some people are just like really like don't give a fuck. I'm sorry, I can't even say that.
I'll cut that out so you don't look bad. I hook up with your friend. Can I hook up with you too?
No.
No.
Why not?
That's no. Okay, so she was told on herself. Why not?
Ooh. So I just get a pen?
Every single boy has sat like this in my chair, and I just want to show it off.
Chair. It's because of the chair.
No, it's not. This is boy sitting. That's a man sitting. Oh, it's better.
Eh.
I like girls my age or older now because they're more mature and like it's like you can have a conversation with them, you know what I mean? It's not always just like let's go partying tonight, let's go clubbing tonight. Like
Because you don't like clubbing.
no, like I do sometimes. Everyone went to the club with me, it was fun.
That's a wrap on that. You're still sitting like that.